Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Andrew, and today I'm going to be making kale chips. So what you're going to need is a blender, a food dehydrator, and then I have 2 bunches of kale right here, along with 2.5 cups of cashews that are washed and rinsed, and that has about 2 cups of water in there. And then I also have a seasoning to put on the put in the cashews to make like the cheese sauce again that we're gonna rub into the kale before we dehydrate it. So in this little mixture right here, I have a 1/2 cup of Nutritional yeast, a teaspoon of garlic and onion powder each, a 1.5 teaspoons of salt, a 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, and then a couple shakes of cumin. I also have a 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika in here as well. So we're just going to blend this into like a sauce-like texture.
Each leaf as best as you can.
And just a nice thin coating on each leaf and it'll turn out perfect. Alright, so now what I have here is the trays for the, I think it's called the Excalibur food dehydrator. And I just put a piece of parchment paper on each tray piece so it's easier to clean up after. And I'll just start laying them down. Alright, so now we have all the future to be kale chips laid out on the trays. And I'm just going to go put them in the food dehydrator, and I'll give you guys a real video of what that looks like when it's in there. Alright. So this is the food dehydrator we're using. There's the settings. What we're going to do is I'm probably going to set it to the meat and fish or the jerky setting for the first couple hours and then check on it. And then this is the kale chips in the dehydrator.